Guys, most of the people have this question in their mind as to how often they should wash their hair. Should we shampoo them daily, once a week, twice a week, once a month? What is the right thing? So guys, in this video I'm going to share with you 5 major factors on which you can decide how often you should wash your hair. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys, so see that you like the video now only. If you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. Number 1, your hair type and the texture of your hair matter. The frequency of shampooing your hair depends on the type of hair that you have and the texture of your hair. Also, the individuals with oily scalp will have to shampoo their hair more frequently, and those individuals who have dry scalp may go longer between their washes to preserve the natural oils and moisture. Now guys, most people think that washing your hair more frequently or less frequently is the only factor. But there are 4 other major factors guys that I will discuss further in this video, so keep watching because it is going to be a very useful video guys. Number 2, listen to your scalp. Hi guys, this is the most important one of all in my opinion. Pay attention to your scalp's signal guys. If they feel itchy or greasy or have started accumulating dandruff, then it might be the time to have a wash. On the other hand, if your scalp feels balanced and your hair looks healthy, you can extend the time between washes to avoid stripping away essential oils. Very important guys, listen to your scalp. Number 3, choose the right products. Yes guys, choosing the right products are very important. Now I know some people, they only use the shampoo and they avoid using the conditioner, and no wonder how often they have bath. They suffer hair fall, hair breakage and all that stuff. And they use a lot amount of shampoo guys to wash their hair. I have such long hair, and just guess guys how much shampoo I use. Just guess how much shampoo is enough to wash down my hair. It is just these 2 sachets guys. Yes, 2 are enough. Yes guys, I use shampoo, but the thing I use next does the trick for me. It is this L'Oreal Paris Fall Resist Conditioner guys. It falls slightly on the expensive side, but it works like a charm. I have tried many conditioner guys, but when I use them, my sebum used to spread very quickly. But since I started using this L'Oreal conditioner, I can delay my head shower for 2 more days, and my hair breakage has almost disappeared guys. I still do have a little bit, but it has reduced drastically. Now some people use this 2-in-1 shampoo cum conditioner. It doesn't work guys. I have tried it. It doesn't help at all, so stop using those ones right away. But before buying this conditioner, see that you know your problem. The one I use is anti-hair fall, but you might be not having that problem. You might be having a dandruff problem. So go for a conditioner which is designed for that. So buy conditioner according to your problem. Because it is very important guys to use the right product, and not all products work better for all. You can try this combo, check if it works for you, and if it works, continue with it, and if it doesn't work, stop it right away and try something else. Now guys, when you are using this conditioner for the first time, you will experience hair fall. Because there are knots in your hair, there are breakages in your hair. So all this hair will come out and they will fall on the floor. So you will experience a hair fall, which is totally normal guys. All those hair which will fall down are the ones which are already broken inside. They were tangled and they were making your hair look rough as anything guys. So check your results second time when you use these products. That is maybe after 4 days or in a week. And that is the time you will see the difference. Number 4, avoid overwashing your hair guys. Overwashing your hair can lead to dryness and damage to your hair. Washing more frequently can strip the natural oils from your hair, leaving it prone to more breakage and frizz. So finding the right balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy and a vibrant hair. Again, to do that, listen to your scalp guys. It will tell you a lot of things. Now guys, there is a difference between long hair and short hair. Guys, when you have long hair like me below the chin like this, it takes longer for the sebum to spread all across your hair. As I was taken by surprise when I first transitioned myself from short hair to long hair, I felt it was more easier to manage. Now you guys will say what I'm talking about. But yes guys, when I had short hair, I had to visit the barber every 15 to 20 days. And by the 20th day, I used to look messy. But when I grew my hair so long, I hardly visit a barber. Can you believe it? Also, the frequency how often I have bath also have reduced. Because the sebum takes time to spread across my hair. But when I had short hair, my sebum would spread very fast and very easily all across my hair. And I had to have head bath more often. So the only thing that I have to do is cut my sideburns, which I can do easily at home. Now guys, if you want to know how to cut your sideburns, then I have already made a video on that. I will put a link of that video in the end screens or in the description below. You can later go there and watch that video as well. Because just trimming the sideburns will do the trick for you. And the most important part, you can do it by yourself at home. And number 5, consider lifestyle factors, guys. Your lifestyle can also influence how often you should shampoo your hair. People who engage in regular physical activities might have to wash their hair more often to remove the sweat and oil buildups. I usually make sure that I have head bath on a Monday because Monday I do my legs workout, and when I'm doing the legs workout I sweat a lot, guys. You guys know that already. It is the toughest exercise of all, and I sweat the most when I'm doing my legs workout. So keep a check on yourself, guys. See on which days you are sweating more and on which days you are not sweating that much. Listen to your body, listen to your scalp. I'm from India and the weather here is damn hot and humid, guys, which results in more sweat. So during summer I have head bath after every 4 days, and in the winter I have head bath every week, which works for me, guys, but it might not work for you. So go ahead, try everything which I have told you in this video, and then let me know in the comment section below if it worked for you or no. Consider all the factors and decide the frequency of your head bath. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.